Hello, Lost Mountain Band families. This video will show you how to log into Charms. Open a browser and type in charmsoffice.com. I like using Chrome as Safari does not allow me to enable my microphone. When you hit login, you will want to make sure that you are logging into the Parent Student section with the school code Lost Mountain Band, all one word, all lowercase. Over here, you will then type in your lunch number, and a screen and message will pop up prompting you to change your password. Please do not change your password. We've instructed all the students to never change it. Simply bypass it by clicking on the home button and scrolling down to the recording studio. Once you've enabled your microphone, you will want to click on the Assignments tab and submit all of your assignments through the tab. During our digital learning, we will have 2 to 3 playoffs due every Friday from here. Thank you so much. I hope this video is helpful.